Meet the U.S. Air Force's newest fighter jet, the F47. In March, President Trump announced that the jet would move forward.
The F-47 will be the most advanced, most capable, most lethal aircraft ever built.
At a recent Armed Services Committee hearing, Air Force General and Chief of Staff David Allvin stressed the importance of the sixth-generation program in his opening remarks.
Our modernization efforts to rebuild our military include the continued development of the F-47.
Senator Wicker kicked off his line of questioning, confirming the Air Force's new acquisition strategy and asking how the new F-47 would fit in.
What's the difference there?
The primary difference is that we now have more of control over the project as it moves forward. We have insourced more. We have more of the ownership of the tech base. I've guided a government reference architecture, so we own the mission systems. And so others can come in and play, but we own the development, the upgrade. And so the upgrades can come at the speed of software, not hardware, can come at the speed of our engineers understanding how fast to advance versus dealing with the contractor and paying the extra cost.
All right, sir. This is a major change in approach, is it not?
100%, Chairman.
How's it going to affect the taxpayer? How's it going to affect the timeliness of this project?
It is going to affect the taxpayer. My sense is that we're going to be able to be more agile, and as more disruptive technology comes into play to be able to develop more advanced systems, we'll be able to more rapidly integrate them, not only into the F-47, but into those two collaborative combat aircraft, the YFQ-42 and the YFQ-44 that are currently under prototype. They're all going to be under the same mission systems architecture. So we won't just be upgrading one platform. We'll be upgrading a system, and so the American taxpayer will get more combat capability out of their money.
It was then Senator Kelly's turn. He wanted more specifics on how the F-47 would fit into the new Integrated Capabilities Command activated in September 2024. The ICC's goal is to modernize the Air Force in response to global threats.
So, General Allvin, I'm interested in the F-47 and how you see this new command, the Integrated Capabilities Command, supporting future development, both for the F-47 and the B-21 and anything beyond that.
In its current instantiation, the vision is the value of the Integrated Capabilities Command is it doesn't develop the platform to be the best platform in the world. It understands what we're doing now is going through mission threads. What does that capability have to integrate with? It has to integrate with all the C3 and battle management, has to integrate with the other capabilities, the crypto modernization, all those things.
Does it do the integration with the CCAs?
It will ensure, yes, so that's the other value of it. It ensures that system integrates with the others to develop an operational outcome, not just a performance parameter. And so it will ensure that. It will also ensure that as we move forward, some of the good ideas, we ensure that the good ideas meet the force design, not just make the platform better. If they make the platform better, but they don't make the platform perform better across the whole mission, then it's probably not worth spending the money on. So it will help us also make better use of every dollar to where that F-47 and those CCA and the B-21 and everything that goes with it gets a better combat outcome. And
is it fully staffed at this point?
Not at this point. It's got the provisional, and so it is doing modest work now. And as we look towards the next level of that, it will now take the sort of federated approach from some of the capability development being done in Langley and some in Barksdale and some at Scott. It will actually put those together and say, what does one Air Force force design look like? And that's its vision.
To wrap things up, Senator Banks questioned the general on what the Air Force, in particular the Air National Guard, needs to do to get ready for modernization.
What does an Air National Guard base need to do now to prepare for F-35s, F-47s down the road?
Senator, I'd say the short answer to that is really what they have been doing, which is ensuring that they maintain the quality of their aircrew, the quality of the maintenance, the quality of the support that has made them an integral part of our ability to deploy and fight overseas for the last, quarter century and before. So I think the Air National Guard, and of course working as a total force because we are a total force, they continue to integrate into our deployment scheme. The Air National Guard is integrating into our new deployable combat wing scheme. So they are, much like the Air Force Reserves, they are transforming right along with the rest of the Air Force. And as we do that, then we're able to have a more balanced and even approach to modernizing our Air Force.
Keep watching Congress Clips for the latest updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe.